I'm barefoot and I stepped on a pebble. Anyways, it's KDKA time. It's actually like 9 o'clock right now, actually. So, came out here, had to grab the key out of my aunt's purse because, bless her heart, Granny's sick. Oh, van's behind. Hello, Toyota. Oh my god! Who the fuck was driving? The steering wheel is basically in my daggone crotch. Turn off the headlights. Turn off the fan. And because this thing's stupid, start the engine. There we go.
Before you start,
Tune to 10:20 a.m.
tuning to 10:20 a.m.
This leak could affect national security. The photographed documents have been circulating on social media. The faithful flooded St. Peter's Square today at the Vatican. Here's CBS's Sabina Casafranco.
Over 100,000 people packed St. Peter's Square for the post-Easter Mass, an Urbi et Orbi message which he delivered from the central loggia of the Basilica. After announcing the joyous message of Easter, proclaiming that Christ is risen, the Pope prayed in his Easter message for the beloved Ukrainian people and for the light of Easter to shine on the people of Russia.
The pontiff also appealed for dialogue between Israelis and Palestinians.
That ain't ever gonna happen.
Days of violence have put many in Jerusalem on edge, but the Easter celebrations went ahead quietly with the traditional Mass in the Church of the Holy Sepulchre celebrated by thousands
Bruh,
of
what the
worshipers.
fuck?
Christians believe Jesus
The
was
passenger
resurrected on
seatbelt
Easter, and the
is
day is a
buckled,
time of
and
prayer
there's
and
nobody
religious
fucking here.
renewal as well as gathering with family. Linda Gradstein for CBS News, Jerusalem.
One of 2 expelled lawmakers in Tennessee could be reinstated this week. Justin Pearson was on ABC.
Supermajority Republican legislature who would rather expel our voices and try to expel our people's voices from the people's house rather than address the issue of gun violence and the need for real gun safety reform legislation.
Another train derailment, this time in Alabama. Here's CBS's Teresa Duncan.
11 cars and a locomotive came off the tracks about 35 miles northwest of Birmingham. 2 crew members in the locomotive were trapped, but luckily they were rescued. There was no hazardous material involved.
Norfolk Southern's had 4 derailments since February. This is CBS News.
Streamline how you hire with
Southern,
Indeed.
that's
Their
unacceptable.
powerful hiring platform makes it easy to attract,
Like, what the
interview,
fuck?
and hire candidates all in the same place. Visit Indeed.com/credit. Thanks. Ray Mayotte here for eBay Motors. Okay, easy now. You're teaching a kid how to parallel park. Ouch! Turns out Greg could do it by feet. Don't worry, eBay Motors has bumpers, front lids, license plate holders, and headlights. They've got lots of headlights. When you need parts, get it right the first time with eBay Guaranteed Fit. When you see the check, you know that part's gonna fit. eBay Motors. Let's ride. Eligible items only. Exclusions apply.
Yes, we do have availability those days. For how many guests? Andrea's Boutique Hotel is the destination to tie the knot. Oh, you want the whole property. She needs an assistant to catch the bookings through pays. 249 guests. Oh, and 3 dogs. Indeed can help her hire great people fast. I need Indeed. Indeed you do. We instantly connect you with quality candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job description. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply. More characters are making the jump from video games to the big screen.
The The
Fuck
Super
you.
Mario Brothers movie out this weekend is true to the video game that's been popular for 40 years.
The simple joy of it is really the appeal of it. I think people have such a strong connection to him.
Eric Voss celebrates nerd culture on his Rockstars YouTube channel.
What people are really excited about with this Mario movie is the fact that they have kept that authenticity and that luster and that color and that vibrancy.
Jack Black plays Bowser.
It was the first real video game that kind of told a story. You got Mario, it's going to save the princess and fight against Donkey Kong.
The fight and the fun goes on. Steve Kathan, CBS News.
And Mario did smash the competition at the weekend box office, powering up more than $200 million in domestic ticket sales. It even beat Frozen 2 as the biggest opening weekend for an animated film ever. John Wick 4 came in second. Monica Ricks,
Okay, I
CBS
typically
News.
don't.
Your source for everything
I
that's
typically
new.
wouldn't care about the Mario
Hear
movie,
it
but at least
on
it beat
News
Frozen
Radio
2.
KDKA.
100.1 FM and AM 1020 KDKA. Covered by JP Roofing and Siding, Pittsburgh's #1 platinum preferred roofing company.
Are you kidding me? Gas prices are up again? Somebody has to do something. Well, someone did. That's why I use Upside. Upside? What's that? It's a free app that pays you back real money for every gallon of gas or diesel you buy. I just earn 25 cents back on every gallon of this tank. Hold on. So the Upside app is free and you actually get cash back every time you use it? No strings attached? Yep, it's awesome. Check it out. It only takes a couple of minutes to sign up.
Instead of just watching your dollars go into your tank, start putting money back into your wallet with the free app from Upside. With the price of gas today, it's big news and big money. To cash out of your Upside cash, just transfer to your bank account, PayPal, or a gift card. Upside users have already earned over $200 million. Now it's your turn. Download the free Upside app and get cash back on every gallon of gas. Use promo code
My ass.
for an extra 25 cents per gallon on your first fill-up. That's code
My
UP0.
ass.
Use code UP
My ass.
for an extra 25 cents per gallon back in your first fill-up. Cashback eligible. Tax driven with
This is an important notice to consumers facing $10,000 or more in credit card debt, medical bills, or other unsecured debts.
You're too much in the hole to be saved.
Because there are special programs now in effect that will significantly reduce the amount you will owe if you qualify. This is not bankruptcy
Which
or
you most certainly
consolidation
don't.
loan. These programs, which the credit card companies like to speak of, will reach to only American consumers struggling with overwhelming credit card debt by offering tremendous savings and real debt relief. Accredited Debt Relief has established a special hotline for you to call and learn what savings you qualify for. They've helped qualify consumers with over $1 billion in debt and are A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. So don't wait. Get the relief you need during these hard economic times. For this free information, call the Accredited Debt Relief Hotline now. Call 800-663-1313. 800-663-1313. That's 800-663-1313.
Did you miss this week's Allegheny Health Network Medical Frontiers? Log on to the Allegheny Health Network website.
They don't care about Allegheny Health. All they out is 800-663-1313.
/Medical Frontiers podcast and look for your favorite Medical Frontiers show.
Join us at Odyssey as we all do our one thing. Together millions of things as we count down to Earth Day. Just 13 days to go. And hazardous materials such as paint, motor oil, and pharmaceuticals out of local landfills and out of the water supply. Look for proper disposal locations or chemical prevention.
And my phone is 9.
If your home or business isn't giving you the joy it once did, it's time for a refresh. Contact your local CertaPro painters and put the power of pro to work for you. That's CertaPro's power of doing the job right, on time and on budget. The power of proven experts with the skills to refresh, rejuvenate, and reinvigorate your home or business. Get your project started today at CertaPro.com.
Each CertaPro painter's business is independently owned and operated. Home improvement contractor registration numbers are available at CertaPro.com.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
News, weather, and traffic. News, weather, traffic. News, weather, traffic.
The information you need.
News, weather, traffic.